Hey, this is Mr. Gold. This is a mix-up tutorial on 3 quick ways to snooze ads without moving your mouse into OBS. And why would you want a quick way to snooze ads? For a number of reasons. One might be because if you tab out of your game, it'll pause everything in your game, pause the audio, pause the game itself, and that's kind of awkward. Another reason might be like you're in the middle of a match and you want something really quick. So rather than having to move your mouse over to the like ad manager in OBS, you can just press a hotkey or a button on your touch portal or use a command and get it out quick. Another reason is maybe the ads will be coming up really soon and you're not going to make it in time. Using a hotkey could get you there, where moving your mouse over might not come in time. So I'm going to show you 3 ways. Very easy to snooze ads without having to move your mouse into OBS. If you find videos like these helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. And if you'd like to talk about Mix It Up, gaming, life in general, or anything else, follow me on twitch.tv/ministergold. Okay, so I'm gonna do this at the beginning of every video. The version of Mix It Up that I'm on right now is 1.2.0.6. Okay. So keep that in mind if anything weird happens when you try to follow my tutorial. Okay, we're going to go to commands. Make an, I would make a new command if I didn't already make it, but I have this under my Twitch category. I have one called snooze ads. I'm going to hit the edit command here. So I call it snooze ads. I put it under the Twitch category. For the chat trigger, I just have S. So if a moderator wants to use this, they could just type !S, and that'll be a quick snooze on the ads. And then I've set the permissions to streamer and moderator. Okay. As for the action, you're gonna click on the action drop down here. Look for Twitch, add it. And within Twitch, you're gonna look for the action called snooze next ad, and that is our command. Okay. So that is one quick way to snooze an ad. The second quick way will be to map a hotkey to a command. To do that, you click on the menu in the top right. There's a gear. Third option from the bottom is hotkeys. Click on that. So by default, my snooze ads command was located within chat. And then I can look through this, and there is snooze ads, and what I call the command. And then I add it. For me, I made my hotkey Control Shift A for ads. The reason why I did it that way is because Control Shift S for me is to save a clip for like a portrait view for like a smartphone. So I can't use Control Shift S. And the reason I'm using Control Shift S as opposed to just like Control S or Alt S is because I don't want to snooze it by accident. So I'm giving myself more button requirements in case I accidentally would snooze ads. And so to set this up, you could go Control, you go Shift, Control, look for the keyboard key A. There's a bunch of keyboard keys here, but I'll choose A, hit Add, and that will add this hotkey here. So press Control Shift A will snooze your next ad. So that is the second way to do it. And now for the third and final way is through an application called Touch Portal. It is an application for your phone or for your tablet. It is a Stream Deck. If you want lifetime access, it's like 14, 15 bucks. Unlimited pages and buttons. If you don't get unlimited access, I believe you're limited to like 10 pages. I'm not sure how many buttons, but yeah, I'll show you how to use that with Touch Portal. If you don't need Touch Portal, then you can stop here. But this is Touch Portal. Okay, so um, just to give you the big picture. Here's my main page. Here's Twitch. I'll go to the Twitch page. Okay, Here is a button called Snooze Ads. I click on this. Over here, I type in Snooze Ads. I set the text size to 20, and then I go to the third button here that says Background Settings, and I choose Background Visible and set two colors, just so I can distinguish it from, other buttons. Okay, and then you're going to add an HTTP post request. If you can't find it, like I can't right now, you can try typing in post here, and there it is. So you're going to add that. Okay. Now, as far as what is going to be in here in your post request, you're providing HTTP colon slash slash localhost colon 8911 slash API slash commands. We're going to throw that into the web browser to see what happens. Okay, when I type this in here, it's giving me all my commands. Okay, and for you, it will not look pretty. It will not look like this, like well formatted. And so what I advise you to do is download an extension. I'm currently on Firefox, but this will also work for Chrome. Look for like JSON formatter extension and add that, or JSON pretty extension, which also just gives you JSON formatter. So, but yeah, so this will make it so that this looks a lot easier to read. Um, just trust me, you'll want it to look like this instead of something else. Also, let me move myself over to the side. Okay. And then I'm gonna hold Control and press F while I'm not in OBS. I'm gonna click on the browser, hold Control, press F. It's not giving me this. Oh, it's at the bottom here. Okay. I'll type in snooze. Okay. So there's my command, snooze ads. What I want is this ID right here. Okay. So I'll grab this ID, and I don't care if you see my ID because my ID is going to be different from your ID. And after the forward slash, after commands, I'll paste this in, and that gives me just my snooze ads command. So I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to go back to Touch Portal to my HTTP post request. I'm going to Control A to select all, and then Control V to paste it in. And then make sure where it says content-type header, it's set to application/JSON. Okay? And then hit add. And save. So make sure it's applied. And let me just make sure it's matching. Yeah, okay, the ID at the end is matching. Okay, so it has been applied. I thought you'd have to like press apply, but you don't, so I can just save it. And yeah, that's it. So now I have three ways to snooze ads. I have exclamation point S. I have which can be used by streamers or moderators. So if you need the moderator snooze, you can ask them to. I have it via my hotkey inside Mix It Up here, and then I have it via Touch Portal, so I can press a button on my tablet as well. So yeah, I have a bunch of ways I can snooze ads now and save time. I don't have to worry about tabbing out of my game or getting distracted by snoozing ads, um, so that I like lose a match or something. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you'd like to talk with me about Mix It Up, uh, gaming, um, life in general, follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold, and thank you for watching. All right, adios.